Come on, video. Alright, is it working? January 18th, 2020, 4:54 p.m. And now we got the birds. They're flying around at least. Look at all these birds. Look at all these birds. What in the world? And look it's the same time. Look at all these birds. Holy moly. Let me get the brightness back up. Oh, not that much. Come on. Look at all these birds. Let's see if they land on that power line. Look at all these birds. And they're just flying around in circles. Oh my goodness, look at all these over here. All these birds. There's something that's happening. Maybe it's every day. I haven't. Oh my goodness, they're all up on top of this thing. What in the world? Let me zoom out a little. I'm tired of this thing. This video. Look at all these birds. They're everywhere. They're all through here. Alright, I'm going to try to start this over again.